My name is Karen Lemmey. I am the Curator of Sculpture at Smithsonian American Art Museum. We are standing in the Octagon Room, a space designed by architect James Renwick specifically to showcase the Greek slave, the crown jewel of William Corcoran's collection. Between 1844 and 1869, Powers Studio produced 6 full-scale replicas of the Greek slave in marble, using the technology of his day. In 2015, the Smithsonian scanned Powers' plaster prototype of the Greek slave, and the scan captured all of the point marks as well as the loop that was used to suspend and support the pointing machine. We have used this 3D scan to create a glass-filled polymer replica of the Greek slave using 3D printing, the technology of our day.